okay. It's okay. It's okay. Y'all been over here. I've been over here for almost 4 years. It's a drill music. Like, shoot them up. Wait.
How like an animal into the night. Living life just now.
You better stop. This is your last chance.
Please, I can't wait.
The 15th of July, 2025. 00 a.m. Residential complex. Noise complaint. Single mother of 5. Birthday celebration. Arrest. OC spray deployment inside patrol vehicle.
Disturbing the peace.
You are disturbing the peace. I'm getting neighbors calling on you guys. They're saying you're being too loud. After I told you guys, after I was needing to get
Like
out.
2 seconds ago? You had to turn around. So they called like 2 seconds since
No,
you rolled
I
up.
didn't. I didn't even clear the call. I parked down the block. I could still hear all the way down there. I did get called the first time.
Well,
do you want OVs for loud music or what?
Excuse me, sir.
No. He a rookie.
Hold on, wait.
I see that.
It's
He a
okay.
rookie.
It's okay. I live
Keep
here.
that.
I live here.
Keep it.
I've been
He
living
a
here for
rookie.
3. It's okay. I've been here for 3 years. I've been here for 3 years.
OG would let it go through.
I know. I didn't deal with OG.
He a rookie.
It's okay.
He
It's okay. Here, get your phone. Excuse me.
That's what I'm talking about.
Beautiful, kind sir with the blue eyes and the blonde hair. I've been here for 3 years.
Okay.
You can, and that's my girl right there. Moral of the story.
Moral story is
You're
turn it
gonna
down.
be moral of the story. Wait, please don't.
You're fine. You gotta have her lights on. It's a safety
Oh, that's
issue.
not her. You don't have
There's an
to.
apartment too, please.
They don't. This not even. This is not where the music's coming from.
It's literally coming from the speaker right here.
It's my speaker, and I live at about 4 apartments on this block, and I can take it here, there, and there, and nobody can do nothing about it because I pay rent, I do what I want, and everybody know what the like. I'm not disrespecting nobody, and it's okay.
It really doesn't have to be a big deal. We just try to
It
have the music
doesn't.
turned down.
I know, but this is not my first rodeo. This is Orchard Block.
Yeah.
For the last like 5 years, it's been more than music being a problem over here. Like
where?
hold on, time out. Like, excuse me.
I'm not here about
Hold
the
on.
history of Orchard.
It's okay.
I already know
It's
about
okay.
it all.
So don't come over here talking to me about music.
Sure.
Hold on, sit
That's
down.
the whole
Excuse
problem.
Me. Calm down.
I will.
Excuse me, beautiful, kind
We're not
sir.
having issues
Excuse
with anyone
me.
else but right now.
Excuse me.
All I'm asking is to turn it down.
Excuse me. Y'all been over here. I've been over here for almost 4 years.
Okay.
And music is the least of y'all concerns.
I'm well aware.
Okay, so please do me a favor.
But the concern tonight is you
I
guys.
don't give a flying as long as I'm not fighting, I'm not being disrespectful, I'm not being combative, that's fine. And if
But
it's
you're
a problem,
disrupting the peace.
time out, because I know it's probably her right here upstairs that called the police. It don't matter. Honestly, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but it technically don't matter. Please be quiet. It don't matter who called the police on y'all, on me, because I can take this speaker, which is mine, and I can take it to my apartment building. Hold on, wait. And then y'all still gonna get a call, and then I'm still gonna play my music because I still pay rent. It's still my birthday, and I'm not fighting. I'm not shooting. Please shut up. I'm not shooting. I'm not fighting. I'm not cursing y'all out. I'm not getting into it with my peers. I'm enjoying myself. And the fact that that's a problem is a personal concern. So y'all can get in y'all car, and if y'all get another call, then y'all can do what y'all need from there. But moving forward, I really don't care. So y'all can have a good night, and if they choose to call y'all back, then we can go from there. And don't just sit around the corner and be like, yeah, y'all music was too loud, so I know it's a problem concern. Be 100 with me.
I am being 100.
It's okay. No, you are being 100 because them people up down there, they called the police because I was too loud. It's not the first time. It's my birthday
Dude,
weekend.
turn it down.
Listen, y'all lucky I'm not on a speaker because I will have it at my full potential because I pay more than everybody else on this block to do whatever I feel necessary to. You can't. Okay, Erica, please be quiet. Please be quiet. But if they call y'all back, come talk to me.
Hey, I got
Excuse me, don't talk to them. If they call y'all back, come talk to me. If they call y'all back. I don't
I'm
want
not
that
trying to
be
tell
on
y'all
you.
to shut up. I'm
Yes,
telling you to keep
yes,
it
yes,
down.
that's sir.
Take
what
it
you're
inside
trying
and
to-
keep it low.
There's kids inside. I have 5 kids, so I'm going to have my fun outside. I am a single mother of 2 sets of twins and one in the middle.
Turn the music down.
So like
Yes, when I said when I
this,
passed you.
I'm not doing
this
it.
volume for the music, right?
I'm not
here
doing it.
is totally fine.
It's not enough.
It goes louder than this. We're going to have a.
Them big
Alright.
hands down.
So when it
This
goes,
is fine. No louder
Doro.
than this.
I said what I
So
said.
when it goes louder than that, with them dogs chasing them kids and shit like that, I'm gonna know something. Right? I'm calling right people to come get y'all.
It's
So
okay.
y'all be down there every day of the week.
It's okay.
Back down.
Alright,
It's
sit on
okay.
the phone,
It's
you know?
okay.
And you can talk your shit.
I listen,
So
y'all.
when they go down there,
Listen.
down there,
Hold
with
on,
dogs and
don't
shit.
listen to
That's
them.
cool. She said
I'm
that's
finna
cool.
move to my apartment,
She said that's
which is
cool.
like 4 buildings down, and then they're gonna call y'all again.
She said that's cool.
And then, you know,
We're
the
trying to
real.
prevent that.
Listen, I know, but it's not
heard
gonna
you
happen.
listen.
I've been here for 3 years.
Hey, that's cool.
It's been worse than this. You know what I'm saying? People done got here, and you know
I'm
that.
well aware, yeah.
I don't people. I'm
not
a
saying
mom.
you do.
Okay, so I can listen to my music and enjoy my peace.
When you're disrupting
I
the
appreciate-
entire block,
I'm
and
not.
I can hear your music down there with my windows
I
rolled
would
down at the very
understand if
end.
I was listening to drill music, like
Has nothing to do with kind of
shoot
music.
'em up. Yes, it does matter.
not matter.
Yeah, it does.
It matters when music is too loud. That's all that matters. That's the
Respectfully,
baseline.
Sir and ma'am,
Which apartment
respectfully.
are you saying you're moving?
You will find out when I go down there and then they call y'all in like 30 minutes and tell y'all my music too loud down there.
Are you writing an OV or not?
I'm going to if they don't turn it down.
Okay.
What's OV?
Ordinance violation, where you have to pay the city.
That's fine, but you also got to know who lives here for that.
So here's the deal. If we want to write you an ordinance violation,
It don't matter. You have to leave and come back for that. Yeah, You have because listen, give me a just
Are you gonna
understand.
identify yourself?
Wait, understand where I'm
do
coming
not
from.
raise your voice.
Do
Okay,
not.
because y'all being disrespectful to
No,
me.
you're drunk and disrespectful, all right?
First of all,
You're
I
not
can walk
even-
a straight line right now, and I'm
Josh,
on
go ahead and come
property.
over here.
Just chill.
I don't care. I'm at home. Wait, I don't need your help.
We're not
I got
trying to
it.
have issues
It's
here,
fine.
but you're making this a lot
It's
more of a bigger
okay.
deal than it
Please
needs to
sit
be.
down. Just hear me out, though.
We've been listening to you for like 10 minutes. You haven't said anything pertinent to the situation.
I get what you're saying. You asking me to respectfully turn my music down to respect
That's what
the
we wanted.
community. That's why I get what y'all saying. Y'all think I'm being drunk and disorderly, and I
You
can
are
really
being disorderly.
listen to me, sir.
So what do you
Okay, here's the
Okay.
thing.
Wait, I asked you to listen. I didn't listen. I'm
I've
not
been
being
listening.
disrespectful. Okay,
You
but
lived here
I'm.
for 4 years, you're a single mother, you got 5 kids in the house. When we pull away, you're going to take your music and continue to be disrespectful.
But I
down the
can do
block.
it right
know
here.
what they see here.
No, you can't.
The more
But I
people they
can't.
gonna pull up.
You can, and then you're going to get OV.
But do you know who I am to get an OV?
If you don't identify yourself,
You gonna take me to jail?
yeah,
You can't.
it's called obstructing.
I
Yes, it
go
is.
ahead.
Read, I don't come over here.
We can rap loud.
On my kids.
And all of y'all are new. I'm gonna tell y'all right now today, neither one of you have
They're making
ever
this
been
a
on
bigger
Orchard.
deal than it needs to be.
Excuse me,
Well,
beautiful.
dude's being pretty chill with us.
Turn that down. Pause it for
We
2
gonna rap.
seconds.
We gonna
Pause
rap
it.
in silence.
Y'all,
Yeah.
please just
We
be
gonna rap
quiet
in
and just let me
silence,
speak.
We gonna
Just
rap
pause
in
the
silence.
music.
It's not.
No music, we gonna rap.
Okay, I'm gonna say this. Ooh, I'm stepping in mud because y'all got me f***ed up. Erica, I mean, E, please be quiet. Just hear me out. Neither one of you three have ever been on Orchard before because I've never seen y'all. Never. I've never seen y'all. Whether it's for Ashley
I was just
and...
out here like 2 days ago.
Excuse me. Were you for Ashley and Rob?
Yeah, I dealt with them.
Okay,
I
that's
dealt
what I'm
with
saying.
down the
I know.
block.
Were you knocking on my door at 8 o'clock in the morning, the next door neighbors? No.
We work night shift. We don't work.
Okay, I'm here all the time. I work 8 to 5. I
Okay, then is
sleep.
this relevant to what's going on?
Yes, I'm telling you why. Wait, just give me a second.
All right.
Pause that. Just shut up. Just give me a second. Shut up.
Hey, here's what we're gonna do.
It matters. I don't
Here's what we're gonna
care.
do. I'm
I don't
gonna
care.
leave. I'm going to
I know.
leave.
And then you're gonna park around the corner, and if you feel like,
fall out.
shut up.
Just fall
And then
out.
you feel like my music is too loud, and then you're gonna park around the corner, and then you're gonna come back because you didn't have a phone call, and then you're gonna
Doesn't
say,
matter if I have a phone
I
call or
heard
not.
your music around the corner and it was too loud because you picking with me.
I'm
But
not
in all
picking with you.
reality, it's people out here stealing and robbing,
Okay.
and you worried about music.
My turn now.
I don't.
My turn
I
now.
kind of don't care.
I don't care either.
You
what
kind of
you're saying.
work for me,
No, I do not.
so you're not a public servant.
Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all,
It's okay.
I don't need a phone call.
It's okay.
If I park around the corner,
It's
I can sit and
okay.
hear the music.
It's okay.
keep
I
going.
technically don't give a.
Okay. Go and put it here. Are you gonna identify yourself?
You taking me to jail?
Are you going to identify
Are you gonna identify yourself?
Time out.
You either tell us your name or you're going to be arrested. It's that simple.
Okay, give me a reason.
Because we need to issue an ordinance violation and
But
you're not
that was
listening.
wait, time out.
No, we're not having this.
Wait.
We're not doing it. Hands behind your back now.
Y'all not taking me to jail for nothing.
All right.
Man, look.
Back up. Back up.
You got some fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Come on, grab your phone. Where y'all phones at? Where y'all phones?
Handcuffed our girl got her pants.
I'm fighting. I'm fighting. I'm fighting. I'm fighting.
What's going on?
Am I fighting?
Stop standing here. Go grab it.
Am I fighting?
What the? Come on,
Am I fighting? Am I fighting? Excuse me. Excuse me.
We need one more out here.
Excuse me. Am I fighting y'all? Y'all, please, y'all. Listen. Excuse me. Before y'all roughhouse me, ask me a question, because I'm not resistant. Am I? Am I resistant?
You said let it go.
You am?
Just
Y'all, back up!
Hey, back up.
Go.
Back up. Everybody back up.
I'll talk to you in the squad car.
Wait. Can we talk right here? Listen, y'all being
I'll
aggressive.
take her, but just I need to get her out of the way while we deal with the rest of these guys.
Hey, can we talk?
No, get in the car.
Y'all don't like the way I was talking to you? Get in the car. I will. Get in the car. Okay, I will. Don't do that to me.
Hey, don't touch me, gang.
Don't tell me.
I'll put you on your shit.
Let my auntie go. Go to my house. Go to my house. Talk to me, bro. Y'all ass weak as hell, bro.
You pound on that door one more time, I'll
It's
pepper
my
spray
hands.
you.
Talk
You
to
pound
me.
on that door
It's
one more
my
time, you're getting
hands.
pepper sprayed. That's your one
I
warning.
have,
Hey, you knock it off here and get
This is
sprayed.
your one
I have
chance.
kids at home.
Stop. Do not
Talk
pound
to
on this
me.
door one more time.
It's my hands.
Put your feet inside.
Talk to me, please. I have kids at home. Why y'all being so abusive to me?
You better stop.
This is your last chance. You do that again, you're getting sprayed.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please. I can't breathe, please. Please. Please, I can't breathe. Please help me. I can't breathe. Please, y'all, please help. I can't breathe. I got kids at home, y'all. Please help me. I can't breathe. Anything, y'all, please. My name is Dosh. I don't have no problems. Y'all, please. No, y'all not. Please help me, please. Y'all, police. Y'all, pull over. Please help me. I'm so sorry.
I told you to stop pounding on that door and you just didn't.
No, it was my hands. Y'all, please hear me. Y'all, I can't breathe back here, please.
I will open the door in a second and you got rescue coming to look at you.
Please help me, y'all. I can't breathe. Just outside, just afraid. Crack the windows or something, please, y'all. I can't breathe. Oh my God, please. Please. It's over. Y'all, I can't breathe, please. I ain't never been mazed before in my life, y'all. Please, God. I'm not a villain, y'all. I'm just trying to enjoy my birthday, God, please. Please, y'all. I didn't do nothing wrong. I can't breathe. Can y'all help me, please? Yeah! Help me!
Ward v. Rock against racism, 491, U.S. 7811989. Content neutral, time, place, and manner restrictions on amplified sound are constitutionally permissible. A residential noise ordinance at 100 AM satisfies this standard. Lesson: playing music on rented property does not exempt a person from municipal ordinance. Residency and rental payments do not override noise regulations applicable to all occupants equally. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A lawful stop requires reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. A civil ordinance infraction alone may not satisfy the criminal conduct threshold required to trigger identification authority. Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 542 U.S. 1 772004. Stop and identify statutes are constitutional only where a valid state statute exists and the officer possesses reasonable suspicion of criminal conduct, not merely a civil infraction. Key legal issue. If applicable, state law does not authorize identification demands during civil ordinance enforcement, and arrest for failure to identify lacks lawful foundation. The legality of this arrest turns entirely on state statute. Lesson. Before demanding identification, officers must confirm whether a stop and identify statute applies to the specific type of contact. Civil infractions and criminal offenses carry different legal obligations. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Force must be evaluated objectively from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. 3 factors apply: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, and degree of resistance or evasion. Graham applied. Underlying offense: civil noise ordinance. Subject handcuffed and secured inside a locked patrol vehicle. Conduct at moment of deployment: striking the vehicle door. No immediate physical threat to officers outside. Brooks v. City of Seattle, 599 F. 3D 1018, 9th Circuit 2010. OC spray is meaningful force subject to Graham scrutiny. Deployment in a confined enclosed space materially increases chemical concentration and respiratory risk beyond open-air application. Key legal issue. A verbal warning before deployment is procedurally required and was given here. However, a warning satisfies procedure only. Proportionality of the force itself must still satisfy Graham independently. Procedure and proportionality are separate legal questions. 14th Amendment due process. Following any chemical agent deployment, officers bear a constitutional duty to provide decontamination and medical evaluation. Failure to obtain timely EMS care is an independent constitutional violation, regardless of whether the deployment itself was justified. Lesson. Officers called EMS following deployment. This satisfies the duty of care obligation in part. Departments must ensure post-deployment medical protocols are documented and completed as a matter of both constitutional compliance and officer protection from civil liability. Predicate arrest doctrine. A resisting arrest charge requires a lawful predicate arrest. If the identification demand exceeded statutory authority, the arrest lacked legal foundation. Resistance to an unlawful arrest does not constitute criminal obstruction in most jurisdictions. 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. A person deprived of constitutional rights under color of state law may bring a federal civil rights action. Potential claims here include unlawful seizure under the Fourth Amendment, excessive force under the Fourth Amendment, and failure to provide medical care under the 14th Amendment. Lesson. Compliance with a disputed order, even an arguably unlawful one, followed by immediate legal challenge, is the most effective strategy available to a citizen. Physical resistance forfeits legal high ground and creates criminal exposure regardless of the underlying lawfulness of the officer's demand. Lesson for law enforcement. Characterizing a subject as intoxicated without conducting or documenting a field sobriety assessment introduces bias into the enforcement record. This characterization can be used in civil proceedings to challenge the objectivity and good faith of the enforcement decision. Summary. Charges filed: resisting arrest and obstruction. Legal outcome depends on 3 questions. Did applicable state law authorize identification demands for a civil ordinance contact? Was the arrest therefore lawful? And was OC spray deployment in a confined vehicle proportionate under Graham v. Connor?